friends, it's Christy. Welcome back to my channel. Today is either going to be my last haul of 2019 or my first haul of 2020, depending when I get this video up. But I did purchase a few things in a Christmas sale that my friend Vanessa Middleton had in her shop over the holiday weekend. And so I just wanted to share the things that I got while I have them in the original packaging. I'm going to spend the day filming and doing a little organization today, and so I just wanted to share these with you guys before I take them out of their original packaging and start using them. So I'm going to set these off to the side and go through them one by one. So Vanessa had a special sale. It was an appreciation sale for members of her design team, current and past. And so because of that, I picked up some things at a really good price. The first of them being this Lawn Fawn Prisma glitter. I have the chunky glitter already, but the Prisma glitter is super fine. And I thought that would be fun to have. I realized I didn't have it over the holidays. I kind of wished I did. And so I thought I would pick that up with the sale. Really beautiful, fine glitter. I also picked up another bottle of my favorite crystal stickles. If you are all caught up on my holiday card series, you know that I use this, I think, in every single video, all 20 videos for 2019. So I was running low and decided to grab another one of those. I just love that stuff so much. I picked up one set from Lawn Fawn. You probably already saw me use let's see, well, they're right here. I used Just My Type, or You're Just My Type, on the most recent video that I did that was on the Lawn Fawn blog. And then I also used Stud Puffin, which I loved. So these two were my last two videos post-Christmas. And these were actually sent to me as incentives for being on the design team. So those I already had, but I didn't get this little love poems in my little packet. So I decided to grab that. Being a writer, this set is just really up my alley. I love all the little sentiments that you can put on the note paper. These also work perfectly inside the note paper for the typewriters from You're Just My Type. So I was really excited to get those. I have some ideas for a card that I'll probably be using, if not today, then very soon. And I did pick up the matching dies. It's just a really small little die set. You can either die cut the mouse right here, or you can die cut the paper that goes inside. So that would just like cut out his little paws there. So that's how that one works. So there's those. And then if you saw, I had two different videos during my holiday card series using a new company to me called Trinity Stamps. So I picked up two more of their stamp sets. This one is called, I hope they label their things because I am terrible about remembering. Okay, there it is, Mouse House. Super cute. I love this little house made out of a stump that really appeals to me. I was a very imaginative child, and I love little like fairy houses and mushroom houses and tree houses, anything like that where little critters or little creatures could live. I just love. So I thought these guys had some really cute expressions, and I was really excited to pick this up and use that on some fun cards for spring. So there's that one, and then the set that kind of started my interest in Trinity Stamps, I finally picked up. This was the first set of theirs that caught my eye, and I've had it in my cart and taken it out of my cart multiple times. It's called Sleepy Hollow, and it has this little, again, like I said, a little like hole in a tree, and then you can put these various critters in there. They have all kinds of different accessories, including a book, which I'm super excited about. I had an idea for this set for Christmas, but I didn't get to it. I didn't get the stamp set in time. I didn't purchase the stamp set in time, but I had enough. I knew when I looked through what I still had to go what I had already purchased, that I wasn't going to get to it, so I just didn't bother. But then with the sale, I decided it was too good to pass it up. So I'm really excited to play with this. This is, you know, for any time, so I just thought I can definitely get some use out of that. It didn't have to be for Christmas, even though that was my original idea. I picked up 2 sets from Hello Bluebird. The dies were not in stock, but the deal was too good to pass up. So I got the field mice and the strawberry jam, which kind of go together. So I will pick up the dies when they come back in stock. But I just love these sets. If you guys watch my channel, you know how much I love to color like mice and bunnies and things like that, because there's just so many ways to color them. And I don't know, it's just really fun for me to kind of just like see where the coloring takes me in the moment. I kind of don't plan out too much with these guys. I just kind of play, which is really fun. So these sets are super cute. Again, I love this little picnic area here with the little jam jar and the bread. There's, you know, the knife and the little mug, and then there's a loaf of bread, really cute little strawberry vines that you can create a scene with. And then these guys, you know, work so well together with the little strawberries and the different cute expressions that they've got. So I definitely grabbed those. Those will be great for spring. I wanted them last spring and didn't get to them, so I was glad to get them now. I got 3 different paper pads. The first one is Echo Park Forward with Faith. I just really liked the color palette on this one, and I thought it had some nice kind of bright florals that also had some good cool tones that work well for transitioning from winter into spring. Not that we are through winter at all. I wish we were. Winter lasts so long here, and yeah, I'm pretty much, as soon as New Year's Day is here, I'm over the rest of winter, but unfortunately we still have many, many months to go. Anyway, I just like these color palettes and designs. So there's some little, there's a cool little black and white plaid there. There's a cool little grid, tone-on-tone pink that works really well with a lot of things. Some little pennants that would be great for any kind of celebration. Some text, some different designs, birds, more florals that are tone-on-tone. There's some leafy patterns and butterflies, crosses, polka dots, trees, like just paper bag, or yeah, it looks kind of like a light pale paper bag texture there, and then it repeats. You get 2 of each pattern. So that was that one. Then I picked up the Happy Days by My Mind's Eye. I actually previously had this one. It was heavily featured in that video that I posted where I made cards with all of the images that I colored during the Daily Marker 30-day coloring challenge. Not the previous one, because that one was going on during NaNoWriMo, so I couldn't participate, but the one before that. So I did like I didn't film videos for most of them, but I did like a compilation video where I showed a lot of the cards, and a lot of them used this paper pad. I used almost every single sheet in this paper pad, so I thought it was a good one to repeat purchase. There were some cards in there that I thought would be great to film for you guys in the coming year. Especially, I thought, because of the more cool tone color palette, they work great for like thinking of you or sympathy cards and things like that. And also just, there's some fun and unexpected cool patterns in there as well. So I repurchased that one. And then I decided to try this Ulta New Pad. I've never used anything from Ulta New. Sorry for the noise there. I should have opened it ahead of time. I actually haven't opened this at all. I just opened the package right off camera right before this, so I have not seen any of these. But anyway, so this is a loose pad. Like I said, I've never tried any of Ulta New's products, so I was really curious to try them out. I will say the cardstock is a lot thicker than typical, It almost reminds me of a paper pad that I purchased previously from a brand called One Canoe 2. And I actually did not end up using any of it. I donated it because the papers were so thick. So this is curious. I'm not sure how much use I'm going to get out of this one just because it's so thick. So it's not going to be good for layering, which is unfortunate. If you're using this for just covering like a card base, it would be fine. But considering that I do a ton of layering on my cards with my pattern paper, this is probably going to make the cards very heavy. So I will have to really think how I want to use these. It's interesting that the patterns like don't, even though, well, I guess those aren't quite the same, are they? They're a little bit different. But see, like that was the same, but it has a different back to it. Interesting. Anyway, I do think the patterns are very pretty, but I'm not sure how usable they're going to be for me. So we'll have to see. I will try to play with those and see what happens. Let's see. I also purchased 3 new packs of envelopes. These are the ones that I used the most to send out my holiday cards, so I was running really low on them. These are all by Gina K. This is the Ocean Mist, Turquoise Sea, and Red Velvet. So very nice. I love Gina K envelopes. I also picked up a new pad from My Sweet Petunia for my Misty. Mine, I'd torn out a few sheets, and so I noticed I was having to use a lot of extra pressure to push my the cover down to really get a good impression with my images. So I'm hoping that having like a bulkier pad again is going to help with that, and maybe I won't have to push down so hard. So if not, I still have some backup paper then for that. And then the last thing I got was just 2 more packs of cardstock. I got another of the speckled eggshell from Fawn, which I used quite a lot during my holiday card series. I really like the texture that's in there and the little flecks of brown. I just think it's such a cozy pattern for winter and, you know, holidays and just spring. I don't know. I just really like it. And then I also got the apricot, which I did not previously have, so I thought that would be a nice color for like spring into Easter season there. So that is all that I purchased. So I hope you guys found some things that you were interested in, because those will probably be coming up on my channel in the near future. So let me know which products you're most excited about. Aside from the Lawn Fawn, I don't have any like plans of what should come next. This one I'm probably going to film with today. I'm not 100% sure it'll be this one, but I'm filming a Lawn Fawn video today, so we'll see. But anyway, let me know what you're most excited about, and maybe I will do some more thinking on that and come up with some ideas and kind of move it to the front. Also, I just wanted to mention real quick, I know that I had promised that between the holidays I would be filming that Q&A video. What I didn't think about while I was talking about that was that my children would be home from school during that entire holiday. So it's been extremely difficult to find any quiet time to film, and so I'm probably going to have to do that next week after they're back in school. But that will be coming, so if you haven't left your questions for me, go ahead, and I'll try to link it in the cards right here, but go ahead and leave a question for me, because I will be filming that very shortly. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day and a very happy 2020 to you all. I wish you all lots of crafty mojo and just exciting things in your future. So thank you so much. Thank you for all your support this year. Bye-bye.